A Puppy's Tale. Once upon a time, in a small, tranquil village nestled between rolling hills, a fluffy miracle came into the world. It was a bright, sunny morning when Daisy, a young golden retriever, gave birth to a litter of puppies. Among the wiggling, soft bundles of fur, there was one that stood out, a lively little pup named Max. Max was a ball of boundless energy, with a shiny, coal-black coat and twinkling, mischievous eyes. From the very beginning, he was the heart and soul of the litter. While his siblings napped contentedly, Max would be exploring the world, one puppy waddle at a time. His adventures were legendary in the village. Max discovered the joys of chasing his tail in endless circles, splashing through puddles after a rainstorm, and rolling in fragrant patches of wildflowers. He made friends with butterflies, chirping birds, and even a wise old turtle he met at the edge of the pond. But Max's most treasured companion was a young girl named Lily who lived in the village. Lily had soft, caring hands and a heart that overflowed with love for all creatures, big and small. From the moment they met, Max knew that Lily was his person, and Lily knew that Max was her loyal friend. Together, they embarked on countless adventures. They explored hidden trails in the woods, picnicked in sunlit meadows, and raced each other through fields of tall, swaying grass. Max was Lily's constant source of laughter and comfort, and Lily was Max's guiding light in the world. One special evening, under a sky painted with hues of orange and pink, Max discovered a patch of fireflies. Their gentle glow fascinated him, and he playfully chased them through the warm summer air. Lily watched with a heart full of joy, knowing that these moments were the ones they'd cherish forever. As the years passed, Max grew from a lively puppy into a wise and gentle old dog. His adventures slowed, but his love for Lily never wavered. He became her confidant, her protector, and her steadfast companion through all of life's ups and downs. In the end, Max's time in the village came to a close, as all good tales do. But the memories of his puppyhood, his adventures, and his unwavering friendship with Lily remained etched in the hearts of everyone who knew him. And so, Max's story became a legend in the village, a reminder of the boundless love and joy that a puppy could bring into the world. His tale was a testament to the deep connection between humans and their furry friends, a connection that transcended time and left an indelible mark on the heart. In the village, when the fireflies danced in the evening sky, people would smile and remember Max, the little pup who brought so much happiness to their lives. For Max, the puppy who once roamed the world with unbridled curiosity, had found his forever home in the heart of a loving girl. And there, he lived on in her memories, forever young and forever loved.